Can you guess what this truck is? Well, it's a pre-production Lordstown Endurance. In this video, I'm gonna show you around it. It is a pre-production truck. Aha! And so the fit and finish is not final, but you can see, I'll tell you some specs, and this is my first chance to get a real look at this pickup truck in person from the 2022 Work Truck Show here in Indianapolis. I'm doing wall-to-wall coverage from the show, and here's the endurance truck from Lordstown. It is an electric truck. The reason why I started with the hub motors or the wheels, because they're hiding hub motors in it. It has 4 motors all the way around. Total horsepower rating is approximately 550. It has gobs of torque because, of course, electric motors have torque. It is a crew cab. It's about the same wheelbase and size as a standard half-ton truck. The wheelbase is about 146 inches, and it has approximately like a 5.5-foot bed. Here, let me show you. And a lot of it reminds me of a Chevy Silverado, at least the bed section here. You can see the bed sides and the way the bed is done and how it kind of tucks in underneath the bed sides. And some other elements remind me a little bit of a Chevy truck, but of course it's built in Lordstown and it's its own thing. It's a new chassis, skateboard chassis, totally unique with the hub motors. Nobody else is doing hub motors, in fact. It will have about 8,000 pounds of towing capability. They're saying 1,200 pounds of payload. Starting price will be close to $63,000. This is before tax incentives and the rest. As you can see, kind of up close, here's where the hub motors are. You got leaf springs, you got all-terrain tires in this case. Once again, this is a pre-production vehicle, so it may not be final. This may not be the final product, but I was told by Lordstown that first customers of this truck will be in the Southern California area, which is where they're planning some service centers as well for this truck. It's technically a 2023 model. It should be going into production later this year. And the reason why I had them open the hood, I wanted to show you the cargo area up front. This is the trunk, which is similar, I mean, at least in look and feel, to what I've seen from Rivian. So you've got the kind of this section here, and pretty deep section up here, including charging ports, a place to replace your windshield washer fluid, and the rest. There you have it. And it has, like I said, about 550 total horsepower. It has a range of about 200 miles. Output of 11 kilowatts. That's the power it can output, approximately. So these are the specs we know so far. Obviously, there will probably be other versions of this truck available. But here's a quick look from the Work Truck Show. Sorry, there's a lot of people here. There's a lot of interest in this truck and other trucks. So thank you for hanging with me. As always, go back to tfltruck.com and tfl-studio.com for everything automotive from the show. And I also have vans and big truck coverage from here as well. So thank you very much. Here's your first look at Lordstown.